The hypocrisy from King Mrs. Zulu is deafening. Recently, he was at a rally talking about illegal immigration, complaining that our South African women are marrying a lot of illegal immigrants. But the hypocrisy is, didn't he also marry an immigrant? The Queen of Eswatini, the Princess of Eswatini, which is not in South Africa. Eswatini is not in South Africa. So he's not really in a strong position to talk about immigrants because he married an immigrant himself, proving that these borders are artificial themselves. And this just reminds me, guys, our Operation Dudula, March and March, you see the whole thing of Eddington Primary School. That was the last kick of the horse. But you know, the thing is, I think someone is funding over Operation Tutula, even March and March, about Jacinta Ngobese and about Zandile Tabula. So there will be other people who will replace them because even Tantla Lax, he was on this bandwagon of illegal immigration. Now is irrelevant. There have been others, even Operation Tutula, even there's always a remix of people who are going to touch on this because the money when it comes to illegal immigration, I have to admit, it's good. It's very good. It's not like I'm getting paid. I'm not getting paid. I'm not getting paid by anyone, guys. I do it by myself. I'm sitting here in my room just doing content. No one is paying me. I'm just doing it because it's my passion. But our Operation Dudula, yeah, what will they do now? Because this whole primary school thing was the last thing. They cannot really go into clinics anymore because the courts won't allow them. They cannot check people's IDs anymore because the courts won't allow them. And now they're a political party, so even their funding is not really from the people, it's from a donor. Maybe Oppenheimer, you know, the Oppenheimers fund all political parties. So now Operation Dudula needs to focus on campaigning for the local elections. So all in all, King Mrs. Zulu, yeah, man, what he's saying, it's factual. It's just that he also has an immigrant wife. So like, what are we supposed to say? How are we supposed to take his advice while he also married someone from outside? But you know, when it comes to immigrants, it's selective, man. Not all immigrants are the same, and not all immigrants are considered to be immigrants. Example, Botswana, Basotho, you know, the Swati are not really considered immigrants. Mozambicans, sort of. Zimbabweans, definitely. Nigerians, definitely. So, man, this is kind of selective because even King Mrs. Zulu, he married Eswatini. So,